We are asked to determine the coordinates of the point, which is 3/5 of the way from point 2 and -5 to the point -3 and 5. So first things first, we should write our Cartesian coordinate plane and plot our given point. We have here 2 and -5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So approximately it is right here. We also have the point -3 and 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So approximately right here. Okay. Also, we are given 3/5 of the way from point 2 and -5 to the point -3 and then 5. Okay. So from this point, we should go 3/5. 1, 2, 3. Right here, we have our 3/5, and then the remaining will be just 2. Just 2. Okay? So this will become 2/5. Because 3/5 minus 1 is 2/5. Okay? Just so it will become 1. So let's go ahead and rewrite. We have here a line, point 2 and -5, and then this part is -3 and 5. We have our ratio number 1, which is equals to 3/5, and then our ratio number 2 is equals to 2/5. Okay? So let's write in our given. We have our ratio number 1, which is 3/5, our ratio number 2, which is 2/5. Also, we have point number 1, which is 2 and -5. Also, we have the second one, which is -3 and 5. This will be our x sub 1, y sub 1. This will be our x sub 2 and y sub 2. Right? For this problem, we will use this formula. We have x is equals to x sub 1 r sub 2 plus x sub 2 r sub 1 all over r2 plus, r1 plus r2. r1 plus r2. And for our y values, we have y is equals to y sub 1 r sub 2 plus y sub 2 r sub 1 all over r sub 1 plus r sub 2. Okay? So, let's plug in our given. So, let's go ahead. We have here x is equals to x sub 1, which is equals to 2, or r sub 2, which is equals to 2/5, plus our x sub 2, which is equals to -3, multiplied by our r sub 1, which is equals to 3/5, all over 2/5 plus 3/5. Okay, and then let's go ahead and solve. So we have x here is equivalent to 4/5 plus -3, negative 3 times 3 is 9, all over 5, all over, we have here 5 over 5, or simply just 1. Okay? So, we will solve here. X is equals to 4/5 minus 9 over 5, because positive times negative is negative. Okay? So, we have like sign in the denominator. So, we just go ahead and subtract. So, we have -5 over 5. Therefore, our x value is just equivalent to -1. For our y value, we have here y is equals to y sub 1 is equals to -5 multiplied by r sub 2, which is 2/5, plus y sub 2 is equals to 5 multiplied by r sub 1, which is 3 over 5, right? All over 2/5 plus 3/5. So, same as this one, the answer will be equals to 1. So, therefore, y is equals to negative 10 over 5 plus 15 over 5. Simplifying, y is equivalent to 10 over 5 is negative 2 plus 15 over 5, 3. We have y is equal all over 1. So, therefore, we have our value of y, which is just equivalent to 1. So, this would be our final answer. Our x values to be negative 1 and our y value to be equal to 1. This will be our final answer. Thank you.